Tire wear, steering, and handling can be affected by ride height and ultimately the health of the struts. If the chassis is sagging on one side or in the front or back, weak struts are likely the cause. Weak struts can affect both camber and caster, which may result in a steering pull, a change in steering effort, or return and/or uneven tire wear. Look up the ride height specifications and measure ride height in the front and rear on both sides of the vehicle. If ride height is less than specifications dictate, the problem is most likely one or more weak struts that should be replaced. Struts can be shimmed, but the best fix is a new replacement. Struts should typically be replaced in pairs to maintain the same ride height side to side. Weak struts are also more likely to fail when a new strut or shock is installed. The struts on many late model vehicles are thinner than older versions to reduce weight and have an outer plastic coating to protect the metal from corrosion. If this outer coating is cracked or damaged, corrosion can form a hot spot that eats into the struts, weakens it, and eventually causes the struts to break. The health of the struts can have dramatic effect on even seemingly unrelated vehicle components, including visibility, stopping, and steering. For some vehicles, the only way to restore the suspension is with a loaded strut that includes the strut unit, struts, and upper mount. Recommending and selling loaded strut assemblies not only makes for happier, safer, and more profitable technicians, it also provides the customer with the benefit of completely new components. In addition to the strut itself, a loaded strut includes the upper strut mount, strut bumper and boot, strut seat and insulators, and coil struts. Prior to the availability of loaded struts, our choices were to source each of these parts individually or reuse the parts where replacements weren't readily available. Recycling these used components certainly doesn't help improve the ride or handling of the vehicle and may lead to an unsatisfied customer back at your counter with a ride control complaint when one of these components reaches the end of its service life well before the new strut begins to age. bproauto complete strut assemblies are the full package. The all-in-one pre-assembled units are made using OE quality components, so they deliver long wear life. They are designed to install easily, are available for most makes and models, and are the most competitively priced in the market. All bproauto applications undergo car fitment tests to ensure easy installation. Units are friction, noise, leakage, and chatter tested. Also, units endure high and low temperature durability testing. The supplier recommends replacing all 4 of the struts in the same visit to maximize comfort and performance, reduce uneven tire wear, and to reduce a trip back to the dealership for the near future. For more information, visit our website at bproautoparts.com.